authorities in New York at exactly 9 o'clock. Now a fifth alarm fire at the telephone company's switching center in Manhattan. About 170,000 phones are out. The fifth alarm company is moving in for manpower replacement because of the heavy smoke conditions.
As far as the New York Telephone Company is concerned, it is the worst disaster ever.
Some emergency phone service is being set up in the area, and crews, we understand, are being brought in to assist in rebuilding.
You are under control, Commissioner. We have fire up as far as the fifth floor.
The entire might of the telephone company, including AT&T and Western Electric, is standing by to begin the mammoth repair job when the fire is extinguished.
The way people cope with catastrophe comes from competence, plus experience, dedication, and teamwork. Western Electric is one member of the Bell System team. It makes, supplies, and installs the equipment. Western manufactured its first telephone the year after Alexander Graham Bell invented it. Western people now make telephones by the millions, but still build in reliability and check it all the way. As in Mr. Bell's day, a reliable phone is your first need for voice communication, and everything else works around it. What else do you need? Wire, for one thing. Wire fine drawn from pure copper rod through diamond dies to precise diameter. A pair of wires for your telephone. A pair of wires times 115 million Bell telephones. Wire to connect switching centers, to be insulated and spooled and spun into cable. From Western Electric in any year, almost enough wire and cable to reach the sun, just to meet the Bell System's need. The tiniest needs for today's telephone service are also made by Western Electric people, working in a microscopic world of almost invisible parts. Hundreds of spec-size circuits on a thin disk of silicon are produced under super clean conditions for amplifying, switching, microwave transmission. The transistor was invented at Bell Laboratories and first manufactured by Western Electric. Western has developed know-how to meet the telephone system's need for vast numbers of different miniature devices, which in production can be both tiny and temperamental. But much more than hardware makes a telephone system. People have to engineer it. People design switching centers, specify parts, order equipment. People bring it all together. Every detail of a Bell System switching center takes shape on hundreds of drawings, translated into computerized orders to a Western Electric factory to build it. At manufacturing locations like this, the plans, the parts, and the wires take form. Local cables intricately woven to link a million diverse elements into a working whole. Circuit boards to route and harness currents. And people to make, assemble, and inspect, until a staggering complexity of components becomes an operating telephone switching system. Yet, copper wires have no intelligence. Components do not reason. Assemblies cannot care. People contribute these qualities with responsibility, craftsmanship, experience. The ultimate need of a telephone system is to connect any phone with any other. When finally manufactured and thoroughly tested, every frame of the latest electronic switching apparatus will work perfectly with any other type anywhere in the network. Western Electric people built the equipment, and Western Electric installers somewhere else will put it in operation at a Bell Telephone Company central office. The installers work out of regional centers nationwide and are available immediately for communications emergencies. After running some 95 miles of cable and making 500,000 connections, they will turn over a working switching system for 10,000 phones. You need all this for modern communication. And in a catastrophe, you are apt to need it all at once.